If you have diabetes or prediabetes, there are certain things that are important to avoid to prevent those damaging blood sugar swings. Hey friends, welcome back to the Natural Diabetes Reversal channel. I'm Dr. Nicole Maholi, and on this channel, I discuss all things related to diabetes and prediabetes and how to reverse them naturally. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest insights and tips. If you want to reverse diabetes, prediabetes, and insulin resistance, eliminate cravings, improve energy, sleep better, and lose excess weight, stabilizing your blood sugar has to be a priority. Dramatic blood sugar swings are really harmful to your health and they make you feel really terrible. If we want to feel better and stabilize our mood, our energy, and our hormones, we have to stabilize our blood sugar. So today I'm covering 5 things to avoid because they contribute to those damaging blood sugar swings. While they're all important, number 5 might be the simplest to correct and can really impact blood sugar control. So make sure you hang around until the end. Number 1, we have to avoid eating sugars and starches on an empty stomach. It's so important to combine sugars and starches with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Protein, healthy fats, and fiber help prevent the dramatic swings, keeping blood sugar much more stable. They do this by delaying gastric emptying and slowing down the digestion of these sugars and starches, so the blood sugar impact is much less damaging. Number 2, piggybacking off of number 1, it's also important to avoid consuming excessive carbohydrates on a regular basis. By just swapping out certain ingredients, you can still enjoy the foods you love without the blood sugar spikes. If desserts are your weakness, make sure to watch this video. Number 3, avoid being sedentary, especially after meals. Being sedentary after meals means you aren't using the glucose that you just consumed, and you're more likely to experience a post-meal blood glucose spike. A sedentary lifestyle is associated with an increased risk for diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and other chronic conditions. Okay, so number 4, we have to avoid unchecked stress. Avoiding stress isn't possible. There'll always be stressors in life. And stressors are what challenge us to adapt and grow. So it's not about avoiding stress, it's about avoiding the self-care we need to manage our stress. Unchecked stress leads to elevated levels of the stress hormone called cortisol. Cortisol raises blood glucose levels, so we have to stop ignoring our needs. It's so important to tune in and listen to what our body and mind need daily. Self-care shouldn't be an occasional thing. It should be a daily thing, and it doesn't have to be time-consuming. Just taking a few moments to check in with yourself and do some deep breathing can often be enough to lower those stress hormone levels that impact your blood sugar regulation. Lastly, number 5, it's important to avoid neglecting sleep. When we don't give ourselves the gift of enough sleep, we're setting the stage for blood sugar dysregulation. Not getting adequate sleep impacts appetite, increasing your cravings for those high-carb foods. It also negatively impacts your gut microbiome, which plays a role in regulating blood sugar control, and is associated with increased insulin levels and risk for type 2 diabetes, as well as weight gain. Studies show that even partial sleep deprivation over one night can increase insulin resistance. So if you take away nothing else from this video, but you implement this one piece of information, you've given yourself improved blood sugar regulation along with so many other health benefits. Sleep is the most restorative activity we can engage in, so it has to be prioritized, and we have to avoid neglecting our body's time to rest, recover, heal, and repair. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Thanks so much for tuning in, friends. I'll see you next time.